Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by matching ports and picking the best connection. Plug the monitor into the laptop using HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C. Use an adapter if needed. Once connected, power the monitor and set its input. On Windows, press Windows plus P to choose Extend or Duplicate. On a Mac, open System Preferences Displays and hit Detect Displays. Do this now so the OS recognizes the screen. It simplifies arrangement and prevents resolution mismatches later. Now you'll arrange and optimize. Open display settings and drag the virtual monitors to mirror their real positions so the cursor flows naturally. Set each screen's resolution and scaling to match its size. Make text readable without taxing the GPU. If you need different orientations, rotate a display and test. Once done, pick a primary display for menus and taskbars. Make sure refresh rates are correct for smooth motion. If not, lower settings to reduce stutter. Finish by moving apps between screens to confirm behavior. Tweak power settings so displays don't sleep unexpectedly. Set GPU preferences per app for battery or performance. If a monitor shows no signal, first reset cables and switch ports. Try a different cable or adapter, then restart the laptop. If problems continue, update or reinstall graphics drivers and verify the display adapter is enabled in Device Manager or System Report. These steps usually resolve common connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.